In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update navigation links in the footer of your Squarespace website. If you want to make it easier for visitors to find important pages from the bottom of your site, updating your footer navigation is a simple and effective way to do it. In Squarespace, this can be done by adding and editing a page link block directly in the site footer. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. First, open your Squarespace website editor and scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the footer area. Once you're there, click on Edit Site Footer. This opens the footer in editing mode and lets you make changes specifically to that section. If your footer already has content in it, that's completely fine. You'll simply be adding or adjusting a link within the existing layout. Next, click on Add Block. This is how you insert new content elements into the footer. Squarespace gives you a wide range of block options, so to quickly find the one you need, use the search field and type page. This helps narrow the results and saves time, especially if you're working in a footer with limited space and want to move efficiently. When the search results appear, click on Page Link. This block is designed specifically for linking to another page on your website, which makes it ideal for footer navigation. After adding it, the block will appear in the footer, and from there, you can customize which page it points to. Now, look for the pencil icon on the page link block and click it to edit. This opens the settings for that block. Editing here is important because this is where you control the actual destination of the link. If you're replacing an old footer link or creating a new one, this is the step that connects the footer item to the correct page. Finally, select the page you want the footer link to go to. Choose carefully from your list of site pages so the navigation sends visitors exactly where you want them to go. This is especially useful for linking to key areas like contact information, services, about pages, or any other high priority page on your site. Once you've selected the correct page, your footer navigation link is updated. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to quickly review the footer and make sure the link appears where you want it and fits well with the rest of your layout. And that's how to update navigation links in the footer of your Squarespace website.